Hey everyone, I'm Kevin with Victory 4x4. In today's video, we're going to be installing these rear lower shock skids on our 2022 Toyota Tundra TRD Pro. Now there are going to be two versions of this skid. One that you see here to accommodate the external reservoir shocks that come as an option on the TRD Pros. And then we're going to have a slightly smaller, shorter, more compact version for the non-pro models that are going to have a non-reservoir shock. So just check out the website so you can compare and see photos of both to determine which one you need, as well as get a good look at this product. Now with all that being said, the installation of these, hardware and process, is going to be the same regardless of your model, so follow along as we get these installed. You're just going to take the skid, you can kind of start one edge and slide it up over that mount, and then just slide it up in place, starting to line up this bottom hole here, as well as both mounting holes on the outside. Specifically, we're going to start with the upper mounting hole. For that, you'll need the 1-inch long 1/2-inch bolt with a washer. And then you're going to want to have the 1/2-inch serrated flange nut on a magnet like I have here. You can just reach that up through the bottom edge of the skid and get it started on that bolt. Go ahead and run this in until it's about finger tight. Once you have that done, you'll grab the 4-inch long 1/2-inch bolt, again with a washer, and that's going to pass all the way through both of these bottom mounting holes. And then you'll need another 1/2-inch serrated flange nut here on the bottom bolt. Now that you have your hardware started, you can see there's a little bit of movement in this skid. So in order to position it, you can kind of begin by just making sure the back edge is parallel to this edge here on the mount. That's a pretty good starting point. And then grab a 3/4 inch socket or wrench to start tightening things up. Once you've got it kind of just snug, you want to just double check that you have adequate clearance between your shock and the shock reservoir here on this TRD Pro at the front, just so that if this does ever take a real hard impact, it's got a little bit of room to give and then spring back. After you're happy with all your clearance there and the positioning of the skid, you can go ahead and finish tightening up this bottom hardware and then go back and just double check that top bolt. So once you're happy with the positioning of the skid and you've got adequate clearance to the shock, just grab that 3/4 socket and a wrench here for the bottom and just finish tightening everything up. Now the installation is going to be pretty much exactly the same over on the other side, so you can go ahead and do that to complete your install. So if you guys have any questions at all about this installation or any other product we offer here at Victory 4x4, feel free to reach out to us. You can email us at info@victory4x4.com or give us a call at 269-459-8447.